am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another BOLZANO bag. So BOLZANO is a monthly subscription for handbags, and you can also get accessories and things like that. They do have different options, but it's roughly like $45 a month and you get a new bag every month. And I did request from them that I wanted vegan leather only, so I'm hoping that's what this is. This is a cute bag. I really like it. I love the gray color. I'm into cool tones, and like half the things I own are gray, which is awesome. Some good pockets. You've got side pockets. Let's see, does my phone fit in there? Perfect. I love this. I'm so excited about this bag right now. And let's see, what goodies do I have in here? They do send this to me, so I never know what I'm actually going to get. Okay, let's see. We've got some inside pockets over here, just like the open pockets, and then a zipper pocket on the side, just sort of normal sized. The opening is a little bit small, but it's larger inside the purse. It's not terrible though. Like, it's not too small. It's super cute though. I really like this. And then it does come with a longer strap that you can throw on, you know, if you don't want just the short handles, you can also have the longer shoulder straps, so that's nice. Okay, let's see what these goodies are. So they have options for like the beauty stuff, and then they have accessories. So I'm not sure, I think last month they did not send me the beauty stuff, but this looks like beauty items to me. This looks like a lip liner, like a reddish color. This would go perfectly with my whole do today, right? And then an eyelash curler, and then this little case. How cute. That's a nice little case. All right, those are some good little accessories. And then, oh, and then I didn't even see these. Oh, everything's stuck together. Some rose gold scissors and little eyelash putter honors for false eyelashes. I'm sure they have a better name than putter honors. Okay, and then this looks like accessories. Okay, so we've got a tassel necklace and then some tassel earrings. These are cute though, right? I love these. These are really cute. And then the matching necklace too. That's really cute. Okay, and then a little scarf, which you could do the whole schmata thing, which would be great. Or what I've done with other, like these silky scarves, is actually just tied them around the handle of my purse, like a little accessory here, which I think is really cute. This is a pretty scarf though. This is kind of a funny little picture here. I mean, you've got a house with legs and a little person with a pitchfork and a broom, and then this person over here, and then this, like, is that a doll? What is going on in this picture? And then these are little like plants with skulls. Those look like little witches along the side. This is such a funny little scarf. Like, you don't realize it until you really look at the detail that this is some interesting artwork. I kind of love it. Look at that little skull bird thing. Oh, that's like a staff. Oh my gosh, this is funny. This is really cute. All right, so anyway, what a fun bag. Oh, let's see, there's a little thing in here. What does this tell me? Florencia bag. Constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. Damn, Gina. And it comes in baby pink, brandy, gray fog, which must be what I have, and black. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check that out. I'm sure that I have some sort of a referral link or discount code and all that good stuff. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!